Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's episode, we are going to be unboxing a replica of the Ducati 1098 S Italia, which is a 118 scale diecast motorcycle tricolor variant manufactured by Maisto. And I'm going to be showing you the features and the specifications of this amazing diecast motorcycle replica. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So, before we get to the good stuff, let's take a quick look at the boxing as always. This Ducati 1098 S Italia diecast motorcycle replica comes in a clamshell card type packaging. So as you can see on this top corner of the packaging, you will see the Adventure Force branding along with the motorcycle write-up. And on this bottom corner, you will see the Maisto logo. And finally, on the back of the packaging, you will find quite a bit of legal information regarding this diecast motorcycle model. So kindly pause if you want to take a read. So with no further ado, let's get this open. So, to begin with, my first thoughts about this diecast replica is that it has quite a good and sturdy build quality and made of diecast for the most part, with a few components made of ABS plastic with some good details, which is standard with the Maisto motorcycle replicas. And I should admit that this model looks quite amazing and looks exactly like its real life counterpart. And the Italian paint scheme on this model is excellent and my favorite feature. And this replica sure will stand out from the rest of the fleet. So, getting down to a few features and specifications, this Ducati motorcycle replica comes with a black and copper chassis with a red, white and green color scheme which is prominent all throughout this model, along with some simplistic Ducati graphics, decals and branding. This replica comes with a golden steerable front fork that adds a chic look, and this model also comes with a well-detailed dual headlight unit which seamlessly flows into the front fairing, which has a visor and some attractive racing style Ducati branding. And this unit flows into a two-piece handlebar with hand grips and a pair of clutch and brake levers. Moving down is a black front fender that wraps around a beautiful copper color alloyed style wheel and a rubber tire with a double disc brake unit. And moving on to the midsection, this fuel tank is well sculpted which seamlessly flows together as a single unit with the Ducati logo on both sides which are in white. And moving down to the heart of this ride lies a beautiful and well detailed engine sculpt which is wrapped around by a beautifully sculpted fairing with an attractive three-tone Italian themed paint job and the Ducati branding with the rest of the midsection components blacked out. And talking about the seat, it's a single MotoGP style seat which is in grey with some good details that flow into a well sculpted tailpiece with a beautiful dual exhaust unit under it. And the rear wheel setup is just the same as the front, but comes with quite a bit of suspension unlike the front, which is rigid. And this model comes with free rolling wheels and a side kickstand in case you want to display it. And as far as the specs go, this replica measures in at 4.5 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 2 inches in width and weighs in approximately at about 110 grams, which are standard 118 scale motorcycle specs. Well, all I can say is that this is a beautiful and well detailed diecast replica of the Ducati 1098 S Italia, and I'm glad I got this replica to add to my ever-growing 118 scale diecast motorcycle collection. So overall, this is a beautiful diecast replica with an awesome paint job and details, and is a definite must-have for any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist, especially if you're a Ducati enthusiast. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications and the best buy link for this diecast replica in the description below. So with that out of the way, let's place this amazing and well-detailed Ducati 1098 S Italia replica on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. Well, the functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as the highly detailed exteriors, and this Ducati motorcycle replica gets a massive thumbs up from me for looks as well as for its functionality. So with that being said, let's place this amazing diecast replica on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this diecast beauty in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on the Ducati 1098 S Italia coming up. The Ducati 1098 is a sports bike made by Ducati from 2007 to 2009 in three versions, which are the 1098, the 1098S and the 1098R. The 1098 was succeeded by the 1198 in 2009, though the 1098R remained in production that year. The 1098 shares more design elements with the older 998 that with its predecessor, the 999, such as horizontally placed headlights and a non-integrated exhaust system. Another carryover from the 916 and the 998 heritage is the single-sided swingarm. The 1098 was designed by Ducati's designer Giandrea Fabbro. With the release of the 1098, Ducati created a steer not only with road riders but also in the racing world, specifically the Superbike World Championship. In an attempt to level the playing field, WSBK regulations provided for concessions to motorcycles depending on the number of cylinders in their engine design. The fewer the cylinders, the more concessions, and with its two-cylinder V-twin design, Ducati was able to capitalize on many of these concessions. And for further information on the Ducati 1098 S Italia, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing Ducati 1098S replica, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this amazing Ducati diecast replica. And I would like to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback, and it is much appreciated. So kindly continue to support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos. Also do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates, and please do check out the rest of the 118 scale and the 112 scale diecast motorcycle episodes in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this diecast motorcycle episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below. And stay tuned for all new diecast motorcycle episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.